Interphone Edge can be easily connected to your smartphone or sat-nav via Bluetooth. Let's see how to. Hold the central button until the LED flashes red and blue. Activate Bluetooth service on smartphone or on the GPS. After a few seconds, the searching device will show the Interphone unit name. Select this one. If a PIN or code is required, use 0000. The voice guide will confirm the connection with the message "Pairing successful, connected to the phone." Interphone Edge will then enter in standby mode. Confirm the Interphone request access to the phone book. If you want to pair a second device, repeat the pairing procedure. This procedure is necessary only once. After, Edge will automatically recognize and connect devices already paired.